there, DailyDAVers. Look at where we are. So we're in Moscow meeting our partners, Copter Express, and we're going to be flying some drones today. We're of course catching it all on video. That's our frozen cameraman out there. You'll see some more footage from us very soon. See you soon.
Hey, so we just finished a really great day here at Copter Express, checking out the drones, looking at the way they deliver payload, checking out the different APIs we can use, and we have a very, very cool proof of concept coming up together with them using this drone. And you can of course participate and be a part of this on GitHub. I'll see you back home on Sunday.
Hi everyone. So at the end of last week, I coordinated the announcement of our newest advisory board member, Scott, and I had a great call with another potential advisory board member, which went really well. And I continued coordinating the pre-sale correspondence and document prep. Today, I'll still be focused on the pre-sale. I'll also be continuing to work on the newsletter structure and content. And I will be gearing up for a few more really exciting announcements this week, so stay tuned. See you tomorrow.
Hi everyone, I'm here at the rooftop of our Tel Aviv offices. Take a look at the sunset, really crazy. So today and last week, last Thursday, I mostly worked on our new communication protocol for ride hailing, which seems to be one of the largest we're about to upload. So this will be the main focus for today also, and hopefully we'll finish it and create a pull request by tomorrow. I think this is it. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So yesterday main focus was paid marketing, paid media, working across a bunch of different channels, working with a digital marketer that we brought on, so a lot of exciting things happening there. Have to work on some of the ads today and tomorrow. Also did some work on the overall website design, getting all the content ready to be pushed out over the next few days and into next week. Still on track for a launch date at some point next week, so very exciting there. And also did some work with some advisors as well. Today, main focus has been around the website, working on some banners for the paid media, working on the content as well, working on some articles, which we're pushing out a bunch of different articles around advisors and things of that sort, thought leadership pieces. So content, general digital media practices, and website, among other things happening over here. But as always, a lot of exciting things. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hey DailyDAVers, Alick here. Sorry for not posting for the last few days. I was a bit sick, but I'm here and full in action. So this weekend we actually onboarded a new partner to join the DAV Alliance. Woo! That's excellent news. Later this week we'll be hosting a meetup here in Tel Aviv. A nice Ask Me Anything session, followed by some drinks and live music. Will be epic. Bye guys.
Welcome to DailyDAV. Yesterday I finished some work going through comments on the communication